SuperWowStyle, this is Prachi, but before I go to the introduction of this video, I want to share a little clip from one of my recent videos with you all. It's a short clip, I want you to watch it once. And yes, I have cut my hair real short and I have like really bad under eye bags and I have tanned immensely. Which means I had an amazing holiday and I had such a great time, guys. I had such a great time. So I took that video, I just shot it right after I got back from my vacation. And this is a picture which I took on the last day of my holiday. So of course the light settings are slightly different because I didn't know I would be doing this video, otherwise I would have taken better pictures. But what I'm trying to show you is that is how bad my dark circles were looking just a while ago. And right now when I'm not wearing makeup, this is how my dark circles are looking. So I'll just wipe under my eye region one more time. So you can see there's no foundation, no concealer, nothing, and that is a huge difference for such a short span of time. So I just thought I should do this video right now because it's the Christmas time, holiday time, party season, New Year and all of that, and if you're having a lot of fun like me, chances are you have dark circles too. I'm going to start by first saying that, guys, you need to drink lots of water and keep yourself well hydrated. Drinking lots of water, keeping yourself hydrated actually reduces the puffiness of your eyes in a huge way. Also, it goes without saying you will need lots of rest if you want your dark circles to go away. Without proper sleep, dark circles cannot go away, guys. So rest is definitely very important. And very importantly, if you're already tired of me saying the obvious things, let me tell you, I have just started using this product. So this is the Mamaearth Under Eye Cream with cucumber and coffee. It's mineral oil and paraben free with bioactives and suits all skin types. Now guys, this is how you apply an under eye cream, okay? Very important. Of course, your face needs to be clean. Just clean your face, wash off whatever you're wearing, makeup and all that. And then take a little bit of the under eye cream on your ring finger, okay? The ring finger, you apply it, or you take it on the ring finger because sorry, the ring finger is the weakest finger. The other fingers, if you just do this when you're tapping your skin, you will, like, if you just tap on your cheek like this once, you will realize that this is the most gentle and the weakest finger. The other fingers are stronger. So the region under your eyes is very delicate. So what I'm doing these days is that I'm using this under eye cream. I'll put the details and everything in the description box below, guys, because I don't want to make this video too long. So just take a little bit of the under eye cream and very gently tap it down on using your ring finger. So tap it like this under your eyes. This will also help in reducing puffiness very quickly. And if you want, you can also apply a little bit on your eyelids and over your eyes and just on the sides and everything wherever you have dark circles. After this, just rest your eyes for a little while. So I use it like once in the morning after shower when I'm just like getting ready for the day and all. And I definitely use it at night. So in the morning, if you have some time in hand after applying it, just rest your eyes for 5 minutes also if possible. Otherwise, if you're in a rush, that's also fine. At night, just before bedtime, make sure you apply this cream really well and then sleep. So I'll share the mamaearth.in link in the description box below along with the 20% off code. You can also find this product on Nykaa and Amazon. Next is another very quick tip which I think is very handy if you have time. Just take a cotton pad, alright, and dip it in chilled milk, cold milk. Dip the cotton pad and then place the cotton pads over your eyes. Next, guys, since I just talked about sleeping, I also want to mention very quickly that when you're sleeping, sleep on your back instead of sleeping on your front, okay? So when you're sleeping on your chest with your face facing down on the pillow, what happens is that water accumulates, okay? And it can actually, there's water retention under your eyes which can lead to puffiness. And of course it goes without saying, when you're going out in the sunlight, wear sunglasses. If you're somebody who wears powered glasses, you can invest in a pair of photochromatic glasses. I used to wear them all the time when I had a lot of eye power, and photochromatic glasses can really help. So first of all, what happens is that when you're wearing sunglasses, when you're covering your eyes, obviously less tanning. Number two, what happens is that obviously it also takes care of your eyes, it protects the eyes. Apart from that, you can also wear a little bit of sunscreen. Don't wear too much because obviously you don't want it to go inside the eye region. This is a very delicate area. But a little bit of sunscreen or a compact powder with a bit of sunscreen in it can also go a long way in helping you deal with your under eyes. And most importantly, guys, don't stress over it. Like really, you know, I mean, I know it's big talk coming from somebody who has been stressing about her own under eye scenario for the last few days. Honestly, it's okay, you know, it's like if you're having fun, you're going to get tan. If you're having fun, you will have some under eye bags and dark circles. It's okay. It just means you're enjoying life and having fun. And you know, beauty concerns should not obsess you to a point where you can't enjoy yourself. So yeah, on that note, I'm gonna end today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now.